The rain remembers. I thought I let you go. But every storm brings you back. Rain on the window, neon in the dark, shadows on the pavement leading to your heart. The city keeps turning, the night moves on, but somewhere in the silence you're never really gone. Every falling drop calls your name again. Every distant light feels like where we've been. After the rain, I still hear your name floating through the city lights, like you never went away. After the rain, nothing feels the same. Somewhere in the midnight sky, your memory remains. Can you hear it? Between the thunder, between the silence. Clouds drift slowly across the moonlit sky, like the dreams we carry before goodbye. Time keeps moving like rivers to the sea, but every road I follow still leads you back to me. Every passing storm leaves a trace behind. Some memories fade, some stay for all time. After the rain, I still hear your name floating through the city lights, like you never went away. After the rain, nothing feels the same. Somewhere in the midnight sky, your memory remains. Maybe some hearts never truly say goodbye. Maybe love survives